Hello, today we're going to be touring 2001 Broadway Street. This is a corner building located in the heart of Pacific Heights. Yet you are walking distance to Cow Hollow, where you'll find many fantastic shops and conveniences. Okay, here's the outside of the building, and over here to the right is the intercom system. You walk in, and there's a nice lobby to the right. Over there is the elevator. You have your mailboxes inside the building, and this is where packages are left. The back stairway will take you up to the 4th floor, where we will tour a magnificent 2-bedroom apartment. Beautiful laminate wood floors throughout. Right as you walk in is a nice closet here, coat closet over here to the right, plenty of storage space as well. This unit is located off the street, so it is very, very quiet, and it is a quiet building. Nice big living room, dining combined. You have an amazing kitchen with range. There's a hood, dishwasher, U-shaped kitchen with lots of cabinet and counter space. And take a look at the open shelving down below. Those are always very convenient. Next to the refrigerator is your pantry for all your goods. Okay. Dining room is right here. Let's take a quick peek out the window here. Lots of greenery. Okay. Now, this unit has heat in all the rooms. Over here to the left is the 1st bedroom. You have lots of natural light, sliding doors, and a nice closet here. Here's the 1st bathroom. You have a nice sink, mirror. There is a tub and shower combined with toilet in a separate room. And the sink is out here with a nice big pantry, or actually linen closet as well. And it's fairly deep. Walking down the hall just a little bit is the master bedroom. This room fits a king-size bed and so much more. To the right here, you have a little counter here with mirror and full bath with tub. Actually, this one has a shower only with nice big shower head. As well as a closet in here as well. So no shortage of closet space at all. The 2nd closet in here is right over here. With sliding mirrored doors. Okay, if you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks for visiting.